Good day, my friends. Has been a while. Yeah, I went to an Asian food store. Good morning. We are now heading into the Saigon Food Market in Gothenburg. Yeah, we'll see what we can find. So what happened to me in this Asian food store? Yeah, it's a Saigon Food, it's called, and it's in Gothenburg. It's very popular and also very... I was supposed to film a video from the store, but when I was in the store I didn't have the feeling of filming anything, so I just went in and bought a lot of stuff. So, and I also was supposed to buy some tea, but so I bought a matcha latte, ginger. I think will be a very nice one. And what did I buy more? Some crackers, prawn crackers, and I have also one spicy version, spicy flavor, and this one, rice balls, Korean flavor. Yeah, this will be my Friday night. And some, I think this is a soya sauce or something. Yeah, hopefully. And what did I buy more? Japanese style green tea, mochi. Yeah, I really miss Asia and Japan. And what did I buy more in the store? Another version of green tea, mochi. Yeah, so I need your help. I'm in Sweden now, and I will be in Sweden for a while. So maybe for 4 months I will be in Sweden. So I'm trying to come up with good movies, ideas or videos idea. And not movies, small videos for YouTube, YouTube videos. So if you have any idea what you want to see on the channel, just comment down below. And I may do an Q&A video in the future. So just comment down below if you have any questions that you want me to answer. So yeah, and hopefully we will get out of the country in a few months, but at the moment we are in Sweden. But it's quite good. Now it's April, May, June, July, August. I will be home, and it's the best months in Sweden. So I have some idea what I will do in some video idea in Sweden as well. But I was trying to do a video idea today, but I failed. I failed big time. I was supposed to film in a food store first, and like an food store that is focused on more on the Middle East, you can say, but. I didn't have the feeling to film in there, and so I went to this Saigon Food in Gothenburg, and I was planning to film in there as well, but I was like too many people. I was there at like 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so it was crowded. So I did not have the feeling to film anything in the store. So I just bought a lot of stuff, and then I went home. So I failed. I failed big time to film today, and so sometimes you fail. It's harder to film in Sweden when I think when I was traveling, I was in the mood, like in the flow, video flow, and I also spoke Swedish, so maybe that is the reason. Yeah, so I coming back to get used to filming again. so I can share more videos with you guys. And yeah, so but don't forget to comment down below if you have some questions to me, and or if you have a very good video idea. I also thinking about maybe do a meetup somewhere in Europe, maybe in Sweden. It's depending. I think I will ask where you guys are from, and then I will go to that city, or just do it in Gothenburg if you have a lot of people in Gothenburg. So maybe I will do a meetup as well, and but I will see. I know that I have a lot of Swedish followers, so maybe it's easier to do it in Gothenburg. Or just comment down below where you are from, and then I will maybe do it in some European country. That is like an idea. I don't know if I will do it, but it's an idea. And yeah, but that was everything for now. I will have a good Friday night. I will watch a movie. I think I will watch Beetlejuice, Tim Burton movie tonight. And but thanks for everything, and we will see you guys on the road somewhere around Gothenburg, maybe. Yeah, so have a nice evening or day or morning, whatever, whenever you see this one.